Do some what you learned today?
Yes.
Wait, no, not too close to the edge. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Good one.
That's something.
Okay, and try something else?
Yes. And something else.
Okay, and something else. Okay.
The second I just did is called watermelon.
Yep, that's a watermelon.
I didn't do one here.
You gonna do one here? Good. Let me get a picture of Alex swimming too. Hey Alex, how you doing? You swimming around? Okay.